Gold starts deep underground, machines, heat, and risk. To free gold, you first destroy the rock around it. Purity is earned by chemistry, heat, and ruthless sorting. Then it travels under silence because everyone knows what it is. Malachite comes from copper-rich ground, beautiful but fragile. The base ring is a separate material challenge with its own risks. It is lapped flat and polished so it can sit perfectly against gold. From here on, the story is craftsmanship and discipline. Before gold, cleanliness, contamination shows up forever. You do not protect the trophy later, you protect it first. Feel and learn. Prevention beats repair when the surface is the story. Every curve is checked against a master because symmetry is felt, not read. Feel and learn. Geometry is verified, not assumed, and measurement protects meaning. A casting is not poured into a shape, it is guided through it. Feel and learn. Flow engineering prevents defects before they exist. The mold has to remember every detail without grabbing it. Feel and learn. Mold prep controls fidelity and protects the master. The trophy is born in wax because wax forgives. Feel and learn. Wax is rehearsal for metal and exposes problems early. Every seam you leave in wax becomes a scar in gold. Precision starts early and saves metal later. This shell will hold molten gold. It has to be flawless. Feel and learn. The mold is built layer by layer, and each coat is a decision. Coat, sand, dry, repeat until it is strong enough to survive fire. Feel and learn. Strength comes from repetition and patience. You are not melting wax, you are carving emptiness. Feel and learn. De-wax creates the negative space that will become gold. Now it is a mold that can take the truth of molten metal. Feel and learn. Firing hardens and cleans, making the mold honest. Eaten carrot is a choice. Strength for a life of travel. Alloying is functional and selected for durability, not just color. When it is ready, the metal moves like water, but heavier. Few degrees decides everything. Fill, shrink, or fail. Feel and learn. Control beats bravado in real casting.
This is the point of no return. Metal becomes form.
If you rush cooling, you lock stress into the gold. Feel and learn. Cooling is part of metallurgy and part of quality. The first time you see it, it is not a trophy, it is evidence. Brews fed the poor, now they are removed like scaffolding. Feel and learn. Support structures are temporary and removal must protect geometry. Grinding is not removal, it is returning to the intended line. Feel and learn. Shape is re-established and restraint prevents distortion.
Stress relief makes the gold stop fighting itself.
Gold is not a strong seam, it is a seam that does not exist. Machines remove microns, but judgments still belong to hands. Feel and lure. Precision is a partnership between tool and craft. This is where cast becomes sculpted again. Feel and learn. Detail is reauthored by hand and defines the final aura. The smallest ridges are what your eye reads as power. Feel and learn. Micro detail creates macro emotion and distance readability.
Sanding is not making it pretty, it is removing evidence of every tool.
Too much pressure rounds the story off, so they sand with restraint. Polish reveals everything you missed, so it is done in stages. A trophy can be shiny and still be wrong. Edges tell the truth. Feel and learn. Craftsmanship lives in boundaries, not just brightness.
Before stone and coating, it has to be surgically clean.
Stone does not forgive like metal. Fit has to be earned. Feel and learn. The ring must be perfectly flat and true to seal against gold.
If light can slip through, dirt will follow, so the seam must disappear. A perfect ring needs a perfect bed, flat, clean, and repeatable.
It is installed like a component, not a decoration, because it must survive travel. Some details are not meant for display, only for control and traceability. Protection has to be invisible. Only the gold should speak. Now it is measured again, because beauty without accuracy is fragile. The last touch must leave nothing behind, not even a fingerprint. The case is part of the product, because the world is not a display shelf. Feel and learn. Protection is engineered and travel is anticipated.
From workshop to world stage, still controlled, still guarded.
After all that noise, mines, fire, grinding, the final result is silent. Two figures lifting earth, so one country can lift a dream.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.